How to hide contact suggestions when sharing photo from gallery. To hide contact suggestions when sharing a photo from your gallery on your smartphone, you will need to adjust the settings on your device. Here are the steps to do so. Firstly, let's open Photos app on device and select a picture to share. Tap on the Send button or Share button at the bottom left corner of the screen. While sharing, if you find any contact suggesting on this section, you need to exit from this page and open Settings on your device. You can easily locate the option for advanced features or connections and steering depending upon your device model. On this section, you will see option for Quick Device Connect. Toggle off the button for Quick Device Connect. And once you are done with that, now there won't be any contact suggestions when sharing photo from gallery. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell for more handy tips. Thank you and see you in the next video.